Good morning, Ryan Walters here, your Coachella Valley Realtor. We are poolside again here because we are doing another home tour today. Today we are at 47390 Palmview Street in Indio, California. This is a short-term approved property again, so you won't have to deal with any of the permitting processes. And there's a lot to see. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, just under 2,200 square feet. And I'd like to thank Teresa Torminian for allowing me to tour this property today and allow me to host the open house today and next Saturday again from 10 to 2. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and like, comment, and subscribe would help me to keep this channel running. Let's go ahead and take a look. this gorgeous property today with me. As you saw, I really thought the homeowner and the builder did a great job of thinking through a lot of the details through this home. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll continue doing home tours like this. Anything I can help with here in the valley, always here, always a call away. Suggestions, tips, let me know what I can help with. Have a great weekend, guys.